Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot and Western Supermare, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic 3008 SUV in the GT line premium specification. So this car has a lovely opening panoramic glass roof, there's full LED headlights, electric tailgate, you get front and rear parking sensors with 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car it's half leather interior with heated front seats. The driver's seat also has massage function. The touchscreen has 3D navigation, there's DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, cruise control with speed limiter, there's a smartphone charging plate. The car has some great safety features too, including lane keeping assistance, there's blind spot detection and speed limit recognition. So let's have a look around. To tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, so that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.